So, lichen removal agents, LRA, the manual application of the product. How does that work?
So it's usually a 3-step process. You spray, you brush, and afterwards you rinse. So to spray it, most of the times it will use a manual or electric sprayer, a battery
Backpack or electrical
yeah.
one. Yeah.
With the recommended dilution. Leave it for 10 to 20 minutes, brush without water, and then finally rinse everything. Always have in mind that this can be a several steps process. You might need to repeat these steps if it's a serious contamination. Also, if it's a really serious problem, we advise to try to break the surface of the lichens first. Yeah. Brush it first to break the top layer of the lichen, so that the product can enter easily the lichen, reach the glass, and that's when it can help start to loosen up the lichen. So if you see that there is limited effect on the performance of the LRA, maybe you need to break up the surface first, because even some of the lichens are water repellent and they will protect themselves from the product. For water-driven brushes, the only difference is that the brush will always have water. They need water to rotate, so you cannot brush without water, and that will probably lose some part of the efficiency of the product. And that's something that you will need to have in mind. You probably need to apply it more than if you are using like an electric driven brush. You can also mix it in the water for the serious cases and brush and apply the product at the same time to break it up and promote the interests of the product in the lichens. You will always need to let it work for 10-20 minutes at least. And then once again brush everything thoroughly and rinse off the remaining lichens, the loose lichens and the excess product. It's can be a tedious job. Lichens are really tough.
It's a labor-intensive job,
and you need always the right tools to be able to do it. So when you're using a brush, make sure that it has hard bristles in order to work, and we have customers that in order to be able to be effective, they had to use scrub pads, like walnut scrub pads, just because just with a brush will be very hard to remove it, and with a pad, since is able to entrap the lichen a little bit more, it can also be an effective way of removing it.
Yeah, correct.